Good morning, everyone. Our project title is Village Geographical Information System. Villages in India. India is predominantly an agricultural country, thus, in every respect, the future of India depends upon villages. So, Indian government has also accepted the importance of development of rural industries. That's why, if we focus on India growth, it would automatically help in making India's grassroots level stronger. Introduction. For example, when government bodies visits in villages for survey, polio pulse distribution, it is actually a hard or manual. They have to search for each house for polio where children under 5 are there or not. So, in first point, villages need geographical information system that can be used by villagers or government bodies. So, if government bodies children are under 5, then GIS will automatically highlight the houses where those children are. Next one is problems without GIS. First one is time costlier, manual search one by one. Uh, have to maintain traditional file system which is manual work, and the second one is it degrades village administration performance where sarpanch have to manage all the data of particular houses like demographic information. Third one is it needs huge efforts. Without GIS, it also needs huge efforts on maintenance. Next one is low data security. If data is not secured, then government have to face many problems. Then next one is demographic information updation. Demographic information is like members in house, their ages, education, family income. Without updations, it is hard to maintain the whole information. Next one is solution with GIS. With our application, it won't be easy to search for particular criteria. Second one solution is village administration performance will extend. Administration performance will definitely extend as whole system won't take more time. Then next one is records will be managed automatically as DBMS system is used. Admin can enter data at particular location and end user can access location using criteria. Next one is demographic information automatically upgradation. It will upgrade demographic information of users automatically like the ages, birth dates and education. Block diagram of our Android application is first user have to log in the application, then they have to search for criteria and display the map where houses are highlighted by the marker, and those markers can be highlighted with the latitude and longitude of that particular location. Technologies that we have used are GIS, Geographic Information System. As we can see on the screen, what is GIS? GIS is a conceptualized framework that provides ability to capture and analyze spatial and geographical data, which allows user to create interactive queries, analyze and spatial information. So GIS is the most important aspect in our system. Next one is decision tree algorithm. Predictive modeling approaches use instances, data mining, and the number of instances that we have used. This algorithm for classification of data, where used data is available and have to fetch for particular criteria like number of male, number of females. Next one is map clustering algorithm. In our application, we have used Google Maps for API for creating custom maps on the Google Maps. For example, we are doing it for Belgav Daga village. Here we can see that admin ID and password. If admin ID and password is wrong, then it doesn't allow admin or any other unauthorized person to log in on admin panel. Next one, after login, here we have 5 tabs. First one is home, house area, GIS data, admin access and user. In house area we can add nagars. Like here I am adding Azad Nagar but it is already added. So I am adding another name like Anand Nagar. Here we can see that Anand Nagar is added as area type or that particular Nagar. Area type is for uh, villages part so that it is easy to fetch that particular location information by Nagar or colony. Next one is add property type. Can also add new Nagar, that is Krishna Nagar. In GIS data, we can see that how many records are there by their latitude and longitude. We can also delete it. Only admin or sarpanch have rights to do this. Here we can add data to that particular location. There we can see that house number, family head name, address, number of members, age, Aadhaar number, education. Uh, then you can also add another details like job, income, mobile number, select area using special data. In last two text area we can see that we can also add latitude and longitude to get that particular location. It doesn't necessary to add manually. We can have that marker on the map or the latitude or longitude. After saving this we can see that here this name is added as Rakesh Borse. Can add particular location as image or thumbnail. Then next one is admin access and update access user. If I want to change my password, then I can use this tab like admin access. Next one is users, to whom I want to give permission for accessing this web panel or admin panel for filling information of the villagers. This is all about the admin panel.
Here is our Android application. We have providing login option to maintain security. Now I am doing a login in which need username and password given by head of village. Now I am successfully logged into the application. Here you can see username. There are three categories are provided: map, area type, and search. First is map. We can see all markers which are being added in the Belgav Daga village. Second is area type. In Belgav Daga village is provided into 4 colonies by which we can sort data. In Indira Nagar, we can see there are 3 results. In all area type, we can have all results. And here are all area type information or data. Third are search option, which are main objective of system. Search having filters like number of members, age, income, and radius. Here I am adding filters for number of members, age, income, and radius. First, number of members. There are 5 members in family, age below 27, and income maximum 80,000. Radius are 100 kilometer. Then search. There are 3 results are found. After clicking on the search button, we are getting this result. Let's check for first. We can see age are 27, 27, 27. Then income are 40. For other result, we can check. Here age are 27, income 35,000, age 24, income 45,000. To reach at the destination, we are having a navigate of Google Map, and we can get a destination.
Head north.
Thank you.